I get so frustrated when people come to me saying that they want to start their own business, when they want to be a content creator, when they want to make money online and leave their 9 to 5, but they're not willing to actually commit, put in the work, and put in the investment that it truly takes in order to be successful. This is going to be a little bit of tough love, but I know damn well some of you guys go out every single weekend, spend money on partying, spend money on alcohol, spend money on clothes, spend money on expensive dinners that you truly can't afford, and you're not willing to put in the time commitment, to put in the financial commitment in order to achieve your goals. You're saying that you want to be something bigger, you want to achieve this goal, you want to achieve this income, you want to be better, you want to live the life of your dream, and you're not doing anything to actually make that a reality. You're doing nothing. You're saying you want to do it, which is cool, that's great, but why are you not taking action? Why are you not doing anything? Truly, it blows my mind, and it kind of makes me a little bit angry because I want the best for everyone and they're not doing anything about it to make a change. When people ask me, what was my best investment? How did I get here? And truly, I put all my time, all my effort. I put financial effort. I paid for courses. I paid for mentors. I did the damn thing in order to see success. And that might not be everyone's journey, but stop saying that you're taking this so serious and you want this to be your career and you want to live the life of your dreams, but you're not doing anything. Truly, why aren't you doing anything? It blows my mind. And I'm not coming on here to talk my shit to you guys or whatever, but I truly think some people need someone to hold them accountable. Because I know damn well there's so many of your people's friends and families that don't care and won't hold you accountable and won't want what's best for you. But I'm literally telling you, go out, take action, put the time, put the effort, put the financial resources behind what you're saying in order to achieve your goals, and come back to me in 6 months and tell me how you're doing. Come back to me in 6 months, DM me, comment on this video, and tell me how far you've gotten. You're going to get so much further when you actually put your whole being behind what your passion is and what you want to do and what your goal is.